Niacinamide and vitamin C are those two precious gems in skincare that everyone loves, right from the doctors and researchers to the skincare experts. And we keep slathering those niacinamide and vitamin C serums on our faces every single day. But which one is better and irreplaceable for achieving that flawless glowing skin? Well, they both have so many different skin benefits we'll discuss now, but yes, we have a winner here. Also, I'll give you the science-backed ultimate answer to the big question, can you apply niacinamide and vitamin C together on your skin? So keep watching. Vitamin C acts as an electron donor, so that's why it is a very good antioxidant. In simple words, vitamin C when consumed and also when applied on the skin readily targets and eats up the harmful free radicals that would otherwise damage our body's organs and our skin. According to some studies, niacinamide can also act as an antioxidant, but in a little different and indirect way. Niacinamide increases the antioxidants that are already present in the skin and overall body. Now the body has its own antioxidant system, but the antioxidant activity can reduce with increasing age and excessive sun exposure. And niacinamide can replenish those antioxidants. So summing up, both niacinamide and vitamin C act as very good antioxidants. Coming to stability, pure vitamin C or L-ascorbic acid is highly unstable and breaks down very easily in presence of oxygen or light. So many product manufacturers use different derivatives of vitamin C because those derivatives are generally more stable and gentle on the skin. Some examples are sodium ascorbyl phosphate, ethyl ascorbic acid, etc. But the downside is due to their increased stability, they often become less effective. Niacinamide on the other hand is very stable and also it goes well with other active ingredients like retinol, etc. Vitamin C products often work better at an acidic pH. Also, vitamin C is a very strong active ingredient. For these reasons, often people with very sensitive skin or people with damaged skin barrier find it very difficult to use vitamin C products. But niacinamide is very soothing and gentle on the skin and it can also repair the skin barrier. That means niacinamide makes the skin stronger and more resistant to pollution, outside stressors, etc. Almost all skin types can tolerate niacinamide easily. A lot of studies have suggested that vitamin C can poorly absorb into the skin. In fact, it's a big challenge for the cosmetic formulators. The pH and percentages need to be perfect for the vitamin C products to absorb into the skin. The derivatives of vitamin C penetrate the skin even worse. However, there is a lot of evidence that niacinamide can readily penetrate the skin. So, skin penetration is not an issue with niacinamide. There is some evidence that vitamin C products can work only when there is a deficiency of vitamin C in our body, more specifically in our blood. What this means is, if you are taking enough vitamin C through your diet or you have a healthy functioning body that can absorb the vitamins from foods into the body and bloodstream, you probably don't need a vitamin C serum because your vitamin C serum won't give you any extra benefit. So we can conclude that a vitamin C serum is not essential if we are actually eating a whole lot of citrus fruits and other vitamin C rich foods. But niacinamide is proven to be effective for anti-aging even if we have sufficient levels of niacinamide in our body. Both vitamin C and niacinamide help with lightening dark spots, acne marks, etc. According to experts, if you want fast results, you should use both these actives in your skincare. And that brings us to the big question, can you use niacinamide and vitamin C together? The answer is, it depends on the form of vitamin C used in the vitamin C product. If pure vitamin C or ascorbic acid is present, then it's better not to use alongside niacinamide. But if a derivative of vitamin C used, for example sodium ascorbyl phosphate or magnesium ascorbyl phosphate, then it's okay to use alongside niacinamide. I hope I could answer all your queries, but who is the winner among our two favorite skincare actives? Since niacinamide is well tolerated by almost all skin types, it also goes well with other skincare actives. And as I explained earlier, it can also strengthen the skin barrier. So I guess niacinamide is really the superstar. Of course, vitamin C has so many benefits to offer too. But then again, Niacinamide does offer all these benefits, and that too with almost zero irritation. If you have any questions, please feel free to write to me in the comments below. If you liked my video, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell notification so that I can reach out to you on time.